Your NOT is supposed to see this. This factory is classified, but I'm taking you inside to see how America builds a 700. You made history. The B-21 Raider will protect our nation. Welcome to the B-21 Raider production facility. The advanced manufacturing techniques used here are highly classified. As you can see, the scents here, every measure are extensive. Our workflow is highly optimized, moving from raw carbon fiber materials through structural assembly, all the way to final rollout. These composites provide the low observable characteristics required for the B-21. Go ahead and scan the manifest for retrieval.
Pay close attention to this section of the template. The stealth coating requires absolute precision on these curves. We cannot have any deviation from the CAD specs.
The tolerances on these edges are critical, maintaining the required plus or minus 0.001 inches.
The mold is preheated to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is critical as it aids the resin.
The resin to fiber ratio is critical for strength.
This second layer is oriented at a precise 45-degree angle to the first. This multi-directional fiber placement is...
We need to confirm the connection points before we initiate the vacuum.
Yes, sir. The sealant is holding firm around the ports.
The vacuum removes air pockets and excess resin while compressing layers for maximum strength. Now that the panel is locked in, the autoclave will begin the curing cycle. We're looking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As the temperature approaches the glass transition phase, the heat activates the resin cross-linking, enhancing the composite's strength.
Edge trimming removes excess material to exact specifications, plus or minus 0.0005 inches.
The cutting speed here is precisely controlled, which is essential to prevent delamination of the material.
This precise hole placement is absolutely critical for the structural integrity of the wing panel.
The radar absorbent material ensures the B-21 remain completely invisible to enemy radar detection, maintaining our strategic advantage. RAM contains classified materials that absorb radar waves. The surface smoothness is absolutely critical for both aerodynamics and stealth. This RAM coating requires specific curing parameters to achieve its radar absorbing properties. The precise temperature and humidity control are crucial.
This tests RAM effectiveness. We're looking for any signal leakage around the leading edges.
Jason?
Excellent, more close up.
The RCS is holding steady at negative dB, Lieutenant.
Heat map is clear.
Scan complete, Lieutenant. Moving the panel to Station 4.
We need to verify the alignment on the port side interface. The tolerance is plus or minus 0.01 inches.
Hold X-axis steady.
Internal clearance confirmed. Alignment confirmed. Begin lowering sequence.
As you can see, the B-21 requires exact specifications. Each of these 246 titanium fast hold position, adjusting the aft starboard actuator.
Aft clear, send it down 5 millimeters.
Copy that, 5 millimeters down, laser grid is steady green.
The integration is seamless. We have stealth capability confirmed. Internal systems installation begins. Fuel systems, electrical, and flight controls. Get the telemetry ready.
As you can see, the Raider carries its fuel in the wing structures, much like other flying wings. We've routed the primary harness for the flight controls, navigation, and weapon systems. The redundancy here is key for safety.
Flight control movement confirmed.
Roger that, Lieutenant. Ready for the next phase.
This hydraulic system powers all the flight controls, the landing gear, and the weapon bay doors.
Activating hydraulics, pressure climbing to 3,000 psi.
UV check complete. No leaks detected.
Confirmed. System pass.
The internal carriage is critical for maintaining the Raider's stealth profile.
Confirmed, Lieutenant. The uplock mechanism alignment is within tolerance.
Okay, bring it up another 2 centimeters.
Reading green on the laser alignment.
Clear on the starboard side.
Final bolt at 450.
Recorded and verified, Lieutenant.
All right, begin the retraction sequence.
The main gear alone is responsible for carrying the majority of the aircraft's weight, upwards of 180,000 pounds.
Primary load path established. Remaining attachment points aligned.
Initiate retraction sequence.
The B-21 uses 2 engines. The exact type is classified, but they are similar to commercial high bypass turbines.
Confirm all harnesses are secure before the lift. Stand clear of the rotation path.
Alignment looks good.
Green light on the flange seating.
Confirmed on the tablet, proceed slowly.
Checklist confirmed for engine 2.
Verified, Lieutenant. All panels secured.
The cockpit is the pressurized crew compartment for the 2 pilots.
The seat can eject the pilot safely at any altitude or speed. We just have to make sure the harness is secure.
Radio check, seat 1. How do you copy?
Solid copy. Comms check complete.
Avionics control all aircraft systems, navigation, communications, sensors, and weapons.
This radar provides air-to-air and ground mapping capabilities while maintaining stealth.
Radar system approved.
Test mode deactivated.
These antennas are designed to be completely flush with the fuselage, ensuring absolutely no compromise to the stealth profile of the aircraft.
This electronic warfare system protects the aircraft from enemy radars and missiles.
The internal weapons carriage is essential for stealth. Any external weapons create an undeniable radar signature.
This fuel system test uses a non-flammable test fluid for safety, not actual jet fuel.
UV scan complete. No fluorescence detected on the seams.
Excellent. The digital report confirms 0 leakage. Well done, team.
Reading 25.0 degrees, Lieutenant.
Verified. Rigging complete.
Stealth aircraft minimize light signature, but require lights for flight safety.
Radar sweep aligns with specifications.
Affirmative. All systems check green. Test sequence complete.
All repairs verified within specification, Lieutenant. Surface integrity at 100%.
Looks good. Sign off complete.
Seals.
The serpentine design of this inlet is crucial.
It blocks the engine fan from radar, making the aircraft virtually invisible.
Mixed exhaust reduces infrared signature, making aircraft harder to track with heat-seeking missiles.
The alignment is confirmed. Proper alignment is critical for stealth and aerodynamics.
Gap measurements are within tolerance. The cycle time is perfect. Aerodynamic profile is completely flush, No disturbances.
Confirmed. Telemetry shows full functionality through the fairing.
On a second test of fuel.
This refueling capability essentially extends the aircraft's range indefinitely, ensuring global reach.
The gauges showed the gap here, and the coating imperfection is noted.
Understood. Assign the corrective action for the latch adjustment and verify that torque.
Phase 1 initialization. Confirm all safety zones are clear.
Clear, ma'am.
External power engaged. Systems check nominal.
Radio check, ground.
5x5, Lieutenant. Flight controls cycling full deflection.
Roger that. Nav systems aligned. GPS reports lock achieved.
Checklist complete. Ground, confirm all clear. Affirmative, cockpit. Range is hot.
Engine 1 stabilized at 65%.
Thumbs up, successful start.
All green on thermals, no FOD on intake.
Good work, team. Test data looks perfect. Ready for taxi.
Raider 01 requesting taxi.
Raider 01, cleared to tax runway 21, winds 240 at 8 knots.
Raider 01, taxi test nominal.
Brake system, flight controls, steering, all nominal at 40 knots.
Raider 01, high-speed taxi complete. All systems nominal.
The taxi tests were completely successful. All positive feedback from the crew.
Systems check is green and tire pressures are nominal at 3.
Raider 01 is go for first flight. We've reviewed the flight cards, chase positions, and emergency procedures. Weather is green. Let's make history.
Com check, primary and secondary systems operational. How copy? Ground.
Oxygen.
On 90%.
G-suit.
Connected and tested.
Flight controls.
Checked. Raider 01 requesting taxi for takeoff first flight.
Raider 01, you are cleared to taxi runway 21, winds calm, good luck making history.
Raider 01, ready for takeoff.
Raider 01, cleared for takeoff runway 21, winds calm.
80 knots.
Aircraft flies exactly as simulator predicted, very stable, responsive controls, no issues.
Raider 01, gear up, climbing to test altitude, aircraft handling beautifully.
Aircraft performed flawlessly, better than expected. Controls responsive, engines ran perfectly, all systems nominal. Ready for next test flight.
As you can see, the thermal readings were well within limits.
Impressive results. The first flight was a complete success.
Radar cross-section verification complete. Pass. Electronic warp systems validation complete.
You made history. The B-21 Raider will protect our nation for decades to come. Thank you all.
All right. You've witnessed the incredible journey of building the B-21 Raider from raw materials to first flight. This advanced